What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video, and today we are going to take a look at the DYS SAMGUK series SHU motors. Alright, these are the SHU versions, 2306 2500 kV. Alright, and as you can tell, at this very moment in time, I do not have them on the build. I just got a GoPro Session 5, and I wanted to do a little test video and upload it and just kind of practice with some things here, so I figured I'd take the opportunity to talk about these motors. Now, I will get some recordings of me flying these because these are going on my Rooster. I almost said chameleon. These motors are going to go onto my Rooster, and I previously had these on my iFlight build, and I flew a bunch of packs, and I do have some DVR for me flying those, but that frame is broken and now it's gone. So no use even talking about it. So these guys here, I'm going to try to do a live stream of installing. I got these motors here. I got a Runcam. Mini V2. I got an AKK X2P. We got some GS30 amp BL 32 ESCs, and we got the what was this from? RJX Hobby, I believe. Yeah, RJX Hobby Betaflight F4 board. So we're gonna get all that stuff mounted up hopefully tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna get the frame tomorrow. We'll try to schedule a live stream. We'll see what we go over there. But the DYS $10 motors. Okay, I got these off Pyrodrone or Pyroflip RC, whatever. I feel like they got like 10 different names, but they're fantastic $10 motors. Performance was good. I feel like the KV was comparable. You know, the 2500 kV. I fly Hyperlight 2450 kV motors, and I feel like they were keeping up comparable to that. The only thing I noticed is the aluminum is a little softer than on the Hyperlights. On the Hype Trains. But I do like the design. It's a 16 by 16 pattern. The air gap is pretty decent overall. You know, they feel pretty good. They had different nuts on here. The nuts were terrible. The nylon popped right out of them. So I got different nuts on here. These are just, you know, replacement nuts with lock washer in them. They're the lock Teflon. Got hollow shaft, and you do have a C-clip down here on the bottom. You know, you got to sacrifice somewhere. It's a $10 motor. So there you go. I don't have a whole lot to say about them right now. They've flown great. Stay tuned to my channel. I got part 2 of my Bardwell build getting ready to come out. I've got, like I said, I was trying out this GoPro. I got a GoPro Session 5, so we're going to have some nice flight footage coming out. Alright, I already got we got this guy right here, Speed Addict 210 V2 with a nice mount on the top. I hate red, but it's a red mount. So I am ready to go to start putting some good stuff together. So, alright, that's all I got for today. If you're looking for a super value item motor, so far I probably put 15 packs or so through these motors. So far, so good. All right, I broke an arm on the one quad, and the motors are still fine. So if you're looking for a super cheap value price motor shipped from the U.S., because Pyrodrone has these in stock, and there's a bunch of different sizes. So yeah, I don't think you can go wrong. Much better choice than Racer Star, that's for sure. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.